Now students, let us start with our problem set 49. Our first question is, how much wire will be needed to make rectangle of 7 centimeter long, okay, and 4 centimeter wide. That means children, here they have indirectly asking us to find the perimeter of rectangle only. So if we know the perimeter of rectangle, that means with this measure we can be able to make a rectangle out of that wire. Okay, so here what we have to do, children, directly we can write it as solution as first. Here let me write what is given here. Long means it is what, children? It is the length. How much? 7 centimeter. Then what is given here? Wide means it is breadth only. Okay, so here breadth is how much? 4 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle is equals to, what is the formula, children? It is, the formula is what? 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. After writing the formula, what we have to do? We have to just substitute the values. Okay, so it is equals to 2 multiplied by, what is length, children? It is 7 centimeter plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Breadth means it is 4 centimeter, which is equals to 2 sevens is how much? 14 centimeter plus 2 fours is 8 centimeter. So 14 plus 8 is how much? It is 22 centimeters. So children, finally we can write it as what they have asked. They have asked us how much wire will be needed. So you will be writing as therefore 22 centimeter wire will be needed to make a rectangle. So in this way you have to write. Okay, now students, our second question is, if the length of a rectangle is 20 meters and its width is 12 meters, what is its perimeter? Okay, they have given the length of rectangle is 20 meters and width means it is the, children, breadth only. Okay, width is 12 meters. What is its perimeter? So solution you have to write here. Then you will first write what is given to us. Okay, first we will be writing the length of rectangle is how much? 20 meters. Then you will be writing the breadth. Okay, breadth is how much? It is 12 meters. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, after writing this, next step is what? We have to write the formula. Okay, perimeter of rectangle is equals to what, children? It is the 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay, after writing the formula, you have to substitute the value. That means 2 multiplied by length. Length is how much it is, children? 20 meters plus then 2 multiplied by breadth. Breadth is how much? It is 12 meters. Now 220 is how much? It is 220 is 40 meters plus 212 is 24 meters. So when we add here, so here it is 40 plus 24. How much? It is 6. How much, children? It is 64 meters. So final statement you will write it as therefore, final answer you write it as therefore perimeter of rectangle is 64 meters. So in this way you are going to write down and put that answer in the box. Okay, now students, our third question is, each side of a square is 9 meters long, then find its perimeter. Okay children, here you can see that I have drawn a square and whose each side of the square is given to be 9 meters. Children, very important thing I would like to tell you. In this problem set 49, I have drawn the figures with the colorful pens. Okay, but in your notebook, you will be drawing the figures with the pencils only. Okay, just to make you visible, I have drawn with the red color and black color sketches, but you will be using only pencils to draw the figure. Okay, now they have given the square with 9 meters each side of the square, and they are asked us to find the perimeter. So solution we will be first writing. Then what is given here, children? Side of square. How much they have given? 9 meters. Okay, what we have to find out? We have to find out the perimeter. So we will write the formula first. Perimeter of a square is equals to what, children? It is the formula is what? 4 multiplied by length of one side. Okay, this is the formula. After writing formula, we have to substitute. That is 4 multiplied by length of one side means it is, children, we have to write the 9 meters. Okay, so 4 9s is how much? 36 meters. So final answer we will write it as, therefore, perimeter of square is 36 meters. So in this way you will write down and put the answer in the box with the pencil. Okay. Now students, our question number 4 is, if we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meters wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Okay, so children, what they have asked us is, what will be the distance covered if we take 4 rounds of this field? Now suppose this is a field of 160 meters length and 90 meters wide, that is breadth. Okay, so first what we have to do is, we have to first find the distance which we cover in one round, or the distance which you walk in one round. That means suppose if we start from here, we go here, then from here. Okay, so like this we cover one round. So children, one round means it is the perimeter. So actually we have to find the perimeter of this rectangular field. So we will write here, first solution you will write it as, the length of the field is equals to 160 meters, breadth of the field is 90 meters. Then we will write perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, after writing this, you have to write the formula. What is the perimeter of rectangular field, children? It is 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay, so that means now substitute the value. 2 into length is how much? It is 160 meters plus 2 into breadth is how much? It is 90 meters. So 2 zeros is 0, 2 6 is 12, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, it is 320 meters plus 2 90s is, it is 180 meters. So now when we add, we get here it is 0, 10 plus 2 8 is, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry 1, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 500 meters. So children, this is the perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, perimeter of the rectangular field. Okay, so that means it is the distance covered in one round. So we will write here the distance walked in one round. How much, children? It is 500 meter. Therefore, distance walked in 4 rounds. So 4 rounds means what, children? It is 4 multiplied by 500 meters. So what we will get? 4 zeros is 0, 4 zeros is 0, 4 5s is 20. So how much we are getting here? 2000 meters we are getting. So 2000 meters means, children, they want us to find in kilometers, and we got the answers in meters. And you know that, children, that in 1 kilometer we have how many meters? It is 1000 meters. Okay, so 2000 meters means what, children? It is 2 kilometers. Okay, so you can write that, therefore the distance walked in 4 rounds is 2 kilometers. Okay, so in this way you have to complete the sum.